Microsoft's Azure platform faced a global outage after a new update from CrowdStrike. This outage affected air travel on a global level and also had repercussions on the stock markets, leading to a decline in the share prices of both Microsoft and CrowdStrike. Services across various sectors were impacted globally due to a technical error at the US tech giant Microsoft and American cybersecurity company CrowdStrike. Millions of Microsoft Windows users were experiencing the blue screen of death error that caused their computers either to shut down or restart. Microsoft said the preliminary root cause was a configuration change in a portion of its Azure backend workloads. This led to disruption between storage and compute resources, causing connectivity failures that impacted downstream Microsoft 365 services dependent on these connections. The Microsoft outage has disrupted airline operations by impacting critical systems used for flight operations, passenger check-in, and baggage handling. Airlines, airports, and other transport systems across the world are facing similar issues. The global Microsoft 365 outage on Friday hindered the functioning of several airlines at the Kempegowda International Airport as well. The Navitaire departure control system has been impacting the operation of some airlines throughout their network, including Bangalore Airport since 10:40 a.m. on July 19, 2024. Indigo, Akasha, and SpiceJet in Terminal 1 and Air India Express in Terminal 2 are among the impacted airlines. The common use terminal equipment and common use self-service systems have also experienced disruptions. The Bangalore International Airport Limited spokesperson said, in response to the situation, Indigo, Air India Express, SpiceJet and Akasha have taken proactive measures by initiating manual check-ins to ensure minimal disruption to passengers and flight schedules. Microsoft on Friday acknowledged widespread outages impacting users globally, including banks and airlines. The company stated it was gradually resolving issues with access to Microsoft 365 apps and services. Despite initial improvements, escalating disruptions persisted worldwide. The cause and extent of the disruption remain unclear. Down Detector, which monitors internet outages, continued to report major issues hours later also.